Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Deli Romadini. Here, I will tell you two material. The first, pronounce ah and a, and the second material pronounce a, 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 a. Okay, I will start from the first material is Unit 8. Word repetition. I will give some examples. Add, ham, mass, ladder, salad, pan, man, clam, sandwich, Andy, bat, ten, medal, step, Dennis, blend, lad, net, dress, bread. And for minimal pairs, I will give you some examples. Are tan, dan, bed, bat, met, mat, blend, bland, and Brandon, can, bread, brat, gas, lad. And next, I will explain second material is Unit 12. I will start explain is individual words for contrast. 1. Mod, mod, mud. 2. Not, net. 3. Other, out. 4. Pork, back, bag. 5. Caught, cattle. 6. That, dot, dead. 7. Fan, fawn, fender. 8. Fan, fawn, pen. And for minimal pairs, examples are 1. Pot, 2. Pat, pot. 3. Pot, pad. 4. Sack. 5. Sack, sock. 6. Sock, secretary. 7. Rack, rock. 8. Rock, rack. 9. Rack, rock. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.